Hi, my name is Joe Nasser. I'm with Saramonic USA. I want to show you the Saramonic Ultra. The Saramonic Ultra is our 2.4 GHz system. This is our premier 2.4 GHz system with 32-bit float recording on the transmitters, as well as noise cancellation. There's a couple things that set this apart. One in particular, as you can see over here, it's water resistance, IPX5 rated, so it can handle splashes of water. You can even drop it in the water, shake it off, and it's going to be fine. Another cool thing about it is 130 decibels of max SPL in the internal microphone. So this can handle loud sounds that other things can't. Because even if you have 32-bit float recording, if you overload the internal microphone, your take is ruined. So besides that, it has a huge wide frequency response. So you get high highs, low lows, as well as it just sounds great. It includes lavaliers for $269, or if you don't need the lavaliers, $239. This is the receiver right here. And of course, it's touchscreen, so you can control everything on here. But one thing that you asked me about a moment ago is how do you integrate this with the DJI Osmo Pocket, Osmo Action. She has it actually plugged in right here. This is our white version of it. Any of our Saramonic microphones that are USB-C can plug into the DJI Osmo, DJI Osmo Action, Osmo Pocket.
How does it integrate with DJI to use it?
Just straight USB-C, because these have a what's called class compliant USB-C. So anything that's class compliant.
And I can still monitor. There's a headphone jack.
That's the cool thing about this. You set this in headphone mode, and in your output mode right here. Oh, there we go. In your output mode, you set it to headphone, and then actually you can control your output levels right there, right here. So boom, 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 and there's my output levels. I can turn it up, give myself a gain. You were mentioning a moment ago the Osmo Pocket 3 had really low headphone output levels. This gives you enough gain to drive full-size headphones, which are the ones I use, and you need a lot of gain for that. So that's really cool. Outside of that as well, just a really fantastic system. USB-C, of course, Lightning is included, and of course you can use it with your camera as well. We have this adapter, it goes $30. This is the SR-C, and what this is our camera adapter for Sony, for Sony hot shoe compatible cameras. So any of the modern Sony cameras you can actually access right there and not have to use the cable to go in. It's also really cool for some of the 4-channel ones, because you might have a Sony camera that's 4 channels, but there's no way to get 4 channels of audio into the 3.5 millimeter. So this will actually take 2 of those channels and then head 3.5 millimeter into another one.
So this is like ultra on the market, you would say. How does it compare with what DJI does, the internal mics, what do you call it, the built-in mics and stuff like that?
Well, there's something in DJI microphone. I don't want to trash DJI because it's a great brand. Obviously, we're talking about them, but there's something about that microphone that you're going to notice. Everyone kind of sounds like this. It's because they actually, if you look at them on a frequency analyzer, the high end and the low end are cut. And there's also a brick wall limiter at the top. So it's almost like putting you in a box before you record. We have a super wide frequency response. So if you put this side by side with that, you're gonna sound much more full. Your high end, really a lot of your characters in the high and low end. And so you can sound like yourself, and also you can look like yourself, because ours include lavaliers. So you can pop this on, use it like a belt pack transmitter, similar to what I'm doing right now with a lavalier. Not everybody wants one of these, connected to their shirt. Some people.
How does it compare? How does a built-in mic quality compare to a lav? How to say?
Well, the built-in microphone on here, because it's larger, can handle like a higher decibel, like I mentioned, 130 decibels. But also because it's larger, it actually pick up a bit wider frequency response. But the lavaliers that are included sound great as well. But this does sound a bit better.
All right. There's just one question I would have. The DJI is very much handheld, so you kind of need to hold it in a way that you don't disconnect the receiver.
Well, it is true, but I mean, something like this.
All right, just hold like that.
Yeah, something like this. Another way, but also many people have, like you do, the extender on there, or they'll actually use a grip, because the grip gives them a little more control. But
what would be cool is a Saramonic handle. You plug it in, it has a battery plus the receiver plus the display. Maybe I'm giving you an idea for a future product, right?
Or maybe some external microphone inputs, some 3.5, even XLR microphone inputs.
And 4 mics would be cool.
Yes, exactly.
Because Ultra is just 2, right?
The Ultra is 2. But what you're going to find with DJI through the USB-C input, it's only mono input, so it doesn't do stereo left and right. So that would be cool to see. But obviously, having 4 microphones in would be another option.
Imagine every pixel, every sound, enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.